What is going on, HV? Today we're out here at Scandia Family Fun Center in Fairfield, California. Today's video, we're checking out their West course. So place your bets. Think I'm gonna win? Think at least you're gonna win? My throat is giving out, so is it gonna win? I hope so. Let's get started.
I should have hit that harder.
Roll in, roll in, roll
What?
in. Will it make it? Almost. My club is so short. I might hit.
Hit it.
Almost hit. Oh. Curve it back. No. Wow. Stop. Stop.
Jeez.
Okay. We're kind of getting it there.
I hit that very soft.
Yeah, that
And
it didn't roll much on this and really rolled on that. I tried going lighter.
Oh boy, and we're off to a solid
Yeah, this
start.
part really rolls and this doesn't. Yep. It's like deja vu.
You see how wide I hit that and how
I know,
far
it
that
goes
went?
so far. We'll have to remember that for the rest of the game. Schwacking it up. We got a white golf ball on the green, or the red, or whatever color you want to consider that.
Okay, now that I know what this carpet feels like.
Well,
I'm starting to feel victimized by this course.
Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. I thought I barely hit it. It's like we traded areas.
Jeez.
Oh, it's gonna be one of these games. There's a lip on that. I didn't think it was gonna go.
I swear.
Well. All right, hole number 3. We got a well. 2 options. It looks like it comes out down here. I don't know why it's so wet. My voice just cracks. It's giving out on me. Like the carpet is really wet and it hasn't rained recently, so I don't know why everything is soaked, but we'll kind of see how it goes throughout the game. Well, at least going down that pipe. That actually might. That worked really well. Really? Oh, come on. Watch, mine's gonna get a terrible bounce down here too.
That's what you call this course told you not.
Oh wait,
no.
what? I mean, it could be worse, but okay. I have no idea. You know, that's where my ball probably would have gone out. You know what? I'm gonna try something. Oh,
Wow.
y'all gotta give me some love for that. That was close. Ooh, this is gonna be tough.
Ooh.
I have a bad feeling about this. And there's a triangle on the back too. Come on.
Oh, you were so close to making it too.
Wow. You might. Wow. Oh, wait. You know what? That's not a bad spot, though. I think you can just ricochet it there. You know what? I feel like this is designed like this for a reason. Not that. We're just going to get it there. That's not what I was going for. That was what I was trying to do. I'm just committing now. That was terrible. That was a bad idea. That's a 5. I feel bad. We'll just move on. At least it's your turn. Oh, no, 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 no. Woo! There you go. Will she go to no man's land?
Nope.
Uh-oh. Well, please hit it. I can't believe I hit it. All right. Nice. All right, hole 6. We got to hit in the nice pink house. We got the drawbridge with the door opening and closing, and the other side. I don't think it guarantees a hole-in-one, but I go first, so we'll find out. All right, here's hoping I actually make it in this one. We are in.
There it is.
Oh man. Oh, look how torn up that carpet is around the hole too. Barely, but she is in. I hope. Did it get stuck?
I don't know.
Yep. I might have to go. Here, let's investigate. If it is, I don't know where.
Did it get stuck in the pipe?
Did it get stuck in the pipe down there? Y'all see it in there? I'm like, here, if you want to hold the camera, I'll go up top and just like smack around. Here, I got an idea. Hold on 1 second.
A few moments later.
Here, remember the wipe off from the other hole?
Yeah.
We're gonna see if this will knock it down.
Here's something. Here it is.
Oh.
Here's both of them.
Well, I don't know how yours was stuck, but you got a pretty good spot, so I'll still be stroke 1. Alicia, I think you're in a good spot because that carpet is really bad. I know my voice keeps cracking, I know. I have no idea how this is gonna work. But okay. It's looking good. Yeah, you're safe.
Can't believe it.
Wow, not bad. Oh, no. Oh, no.
No.
I just clipped it, too.
At least you're not far, though. You're right here.
Yeah, at least I think I can hit it straight up. I was so close.
Yeah.
Whew, I almost did.
I don't think you could have gotten closer to my wall.
I don't think so either. Come on, come on, come on. I'll take the 3. Going down. Come on.
Right.
Oh, right past it. No. Whoo. You got close to mine like me on the last one with you. Very nice.
Wow.
She is in. Hopefully she makes it out. It might do it. Hey!
Can't believe
First hole in one. Nice. Oh no. That's not good.
Uh-oh.
Your hole in one has looked a lot better. I don't know if I can bounce this around.
It hit the edge.
That's what I was afraid of right there. I'm getting it there. I'm getting it there.
This is your hole, like my
This is your first hole, yeah.
Okay, Brooks, you got the 2
Ooh.
thingies up there.
Let's see.
Look at
I
you.
made it through. Just stay
Made
up
it.
there, please. I'm not behind the metal post. I'll take that.
I think one of those bumpers actually saved you and pushed you over to keep you from rolling
I
back.
might have. Pretty straight. Hey. I don't know if I'm closer or farther from the hole now. This is lifted up a little bit. No, 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 no. Stop. Stay. Okay, I did not want to roll down the hill. So close. Nice.
Didn't think that was going in.
I have a feeling there used to be a swinging pole here. Just guessing. Oh, mine's going the other way. Oh.
Darn it.
The hole's lifted a little bit. Woo. Nice.
Yay.
So, oh wait, hold on. This, I don't think this is the end of this one. No, okay, so pipe here, I'm guessing this is what you want to go for. Pipe back there. Where does this come out at? Oh, it comes out all the way down here. Okay, this will be interesting. So what we'll do is, to make it a surprise, we'll both hit, and then we'll see where the balls came out, so we won't know where they kind of went.
Okie dokie.
I'm gonna go for it, but it's a bad idea. Oh, it might. It actually went in. So we'll go down to the bottom after Alicia hits and see if that was good or not.
That's not going.
It's wet, but she might get enough roll to keep it down. It's going.
Watch it stop.
Hey, that works. All right, so let's see how they come out down here. At least we got down both pipes, so that's nice. Oh wait, oh, there's my ball. For a second I was like, I don't see it, did it go in? No, it's right there. Oh, not cool. I worked so hard for that. Oh
Stupid
man.
bag.
You can go ahead and bring it down whenever it's, oh wow, okay. What a curve.
Please roll back and not that way.
Wow. Hey, nice recovery. Yeah, 3 for me. You didn't dink it off the metal, but still not a bad spot. I missed it too. Uh-oh, oh no. Woo! Right on the edge. Oh. What a shot. Oh man.
Oh, jeez.
And a 4 for me. All right, hole 14. So you hit it in the castle, or if not, it's gonna go down one of the sides. Hole's down there. It is very underwater, as you guys can see.
Oh,
But I guess I'm up first, so we'll kind of just play it by ear and see what happens. I am in. So we'll take it down here and kind of see. That's a lot of water. Oh, it's a hole in one. Nice.
That works.
That works. Okay, so now knowing how flooded that is, that's extra motivation. Very nice. It hopped in. So now we'll come down here. I heard it. They both in here? There we go. Hole in one for both of us. Nice. That is very good because that's very, very wet. All right, so now things are going to get kind of interesting with hole 15 on. They're all really wet. So we're kind of just going to have to take them and we're going to try our best. But if this is the point where like we can't play a hole because it's just soaked, like this one's kind of borderline, but there's one spot it looks like we can hit off of. We'll see what we can do. That's going to make things interesting. We're kind of getting them there. There you go. We can title this playing a flooded mini golf course.
All that, and that's where it went.
I'm going for a bounce off the wall. Ah, too much. And splash. Just enough. All right, same thing as the last hole. We'll kind of see how this goes. I tried giving it a lot, knowing it was going to slow down. Didn't really work. Wow. What a shot. You never really know how hard to hit it when it's wet. You'll know if it's going to hit wet carpet or dry carpet. I thought it was going to go a lot slower than that. Nice, too.
Thank you.
Almost. 4 for me. Almost, but you're not in the flooded water, so that's good. Come on. Oh,
Oh, no.
and I kind of bounced out of it. Oh, here, you can go ahead and finish yours because it's a volcano. Oh, uh-oh. Alicia, your return to start. How funny would it have been if that would have gone in? You know, I said this was going to be an easy volcano, but I was definitely wrong.
I think having that actually makes it harder.
Harder, yeah. Now, if I miss, it's going down that hill. So. Hey,
Yep.
look, there it goes down the hill, and my voice cracked again. I'm telling you guys, it's dying.
I think having that part makes this actually worse than.
Same thing again. I'll take the 4. I'll take it. Alrighty, time for the last hole. So I'm guessing if you get it in, how does this work? I guess if you get it in like the teeny tiny center one right there, it's a hole in one, or if you miss or go down the trough, it's a 2. That's what we'll go with. Teeny tiny slot is a 1, anything else is a 2. Nope. It's a 2 for me. Close. 2's first both. That was an interesting game. Not the best.
Not the best one I've played.
No, not the worst, but definitely not the best. They are at least leaf blowing some of the water off now. I guess we just got here before they did it, but you ready for the scores?
Yeah.
You got 52, I got 54. So it was a close game. With the way everything went at the beginning, it was a really close game.
I started out strong at the beginning.
Your ending came off good though. But guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks for putting up with my squeaky voice. It's giving out on me. We'll see if it makes it the rest of the day filming. But thanks for watching either way. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you are new around here, be sure again to subscribe, click the bell to turn notifications. But either way, thank you for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you all very soon in the next video. Later.